I will shoot you. Hey! No! Hey!
Welcome to Raw Police Body Cam, the #1 source for body cam footage. On Monday, February 15th, 2021, Riverside County Sheriff's Department received a call regarding the brandishing of a firearm in the area of Simon Drive and Highway 111, City of La Quinta. The suspect was identified as Royce Robertson, 33 years old, resident of Joshua Tree. Dispatch received information that an adult male suspect displayed a handgun at the victim and threatened to kill the victim. While deputies were en route to the location, deputies were advised by dispatch that Robertson's vehicle had fled the scene and was traveling westbound on Highway 111. A deputy from the Palm Desert Station located Robertson's vehicle near the intersection of Desert Horizons and Highway 111.
911, what's your emergency?
No license plate, black SL63 convertible Mercedes. Gentleman just stuck a gun in my face at Chase Bank on the Highway 111. He's turning left onto the Highway 111.
Chase Bank on Highway 111 and where?
Headed towards Washington. He's on Highway 111, headed towards Washington in La Quinta, towards Indian Wells.
And it was a black Cadillac?
It's a black Mercedes SL60. There's a dealer purchase plate on the back. It's an AMG racing model. He's now racing down the street, cutting in between cars. He's brandishing a gun. He stuck it in my face. Now he's racing towards the Esmeralda Resort.
Okay, what's your name?
I did nothing other than slam on my brakes to stop him from running into me. And then he got out and did.
Dispatch all units, minimum traffic for 2 John 87. We'll be in front of Desert Horizons Country Club, 44900 Desert Horizons Drive.
John 87, do I have another unit coming?
Additional unit responding. 2 out. 32, 2 out.
John 87, clear for the plate.
2 John 87, go ahead.
2, looks like Sam Nora 6406. Hey, stay in your vehicle! Stay in your vehicle! Get in your fucking vehicle!
Shoot me. Shoot me.
Hey, turn around!
End
Turn
existence.
around!
End
Turn around!
existence. Shoot me.
Turn around!
Shoot me or I will shoot you.
Hey!
No.
Hey!
Going to be in a beige Hyundai Sonata Santa Fe.
Medical, we got 1 down, shots fired. Deputies are okay.
Thank you for watching Raw Police Body Cam's channel. Please consider subscribing if you want to help us out. Thanks.